Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're well and doing good. Today's recipe is prawn biryani, Jinga biryani. I have half a cup of oil, which I already fried 2 medium onions. Add 3 bay leaves, 1 star anise, 1 large cardamom, 3 cinnamon sticks, 3 small cardamom, and 2-3 cloves and 1/4 teaspoon of cloves. After about 30 seconds, add 1 teaspoon of garlic, 1 teaspoon of ginger. Just saute this for 30 seconds. Add 1 teaspoon of whole cumin. Add 1 cup of tomato. After about 3-4 minutes, add the green chilies. I've got about 3-4 green chilies, which I put in a hand blender. Add 1½ teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, 1½ teaspoon of Kashmiri lal mirch, 1 teaspoon of salt, but that's to your taste, half a teaspoon of haldi. After about 5 minutes, add half a cup of yogurt. After about a couple of minutes, add fried onions. After about 2 to 3 minutes, I'm going to add the prawns, which I have deveined already. It's optional if you want to add it or not, but I'm going to add half a cup of dill in this. Add half a cup of coriander. And I'm going to cover and cook this on a low heat for about 5 minutes, because you don't want to overcook your prawns. In a hot water in a pan, add a couple of bay leaves, a couple of cinnamon sticks, large cardamom, 3 small cardamoms, a teaspoon of whole cumin. And you can add salt to your taste, but I'm going to add 1½ teaspoon. And let this come to a boil for about 2 to 3 minutes, then we'll add the rice. Also add 2 tablespoons of oil. Your rice comes out nice and fluffy. I'm going to add 2 cups of golden basmati rice, which I've soaked for about 3 hours. And cook this 90 to 95%. My rice is about 90% cooked. This has been cooking on low heat for about 10 minutes. You can see this already. Now we're going to layer the biryani. I'm going to use the same pan for layering my biryani. So I'm going to add some rice. I'm going to add another layer of the prawn base. Add some onions, add the coriander, some mint, sprinkle some food colouring, but that's optional, and some ghee, and some lemon slices. Cover and steam this for 4 minutes on high and 8 minutes on low heat.